Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Infinite Scroll. With this extension, the store owner can replace the old and slow pagination system with endless scrolling feature on the product listing pages. So let's see how this particular extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. The module configuration is basically divided into four parts: general settings, color adjustment, selector settings, and advanced settings. Let's start with general settings first. From here, admin can enable or disable the infinite scrolling feature at the front end. In this field, admin can select the product layout as grid or list on the category page. From here, admin can select the pagination type as scroll, button, or both. If selected scroll, then admin needs to specify scroll threshold value here. This value will determine the remaining scroll height, after which the products are added. If selected button, then admin needs to specify the view more button title to be displayed at the front end. If admin has selected both, that is scroll and button, then he needs to specify the number of pages for which the user can scroll down, and after that view more button gets displayed. From here, admin can select the loading animation. Admin can also choose to upload the custom GIF image for the loader. In this field, admin has to set the number of products to load per page. From here, admin can configure the message to be displayed at the end of the product listing page when all the product gets loaded and there are no more products to show. In this field, admin can enable or disable the display of scroll to top button on the product listing page. From here, admin can select the pages where he wants to enable the infinite scrolling feature. After configuring the general settings, let's have a look at the front end. On the product listing page, a customer can view the products in a format selected by admin from here. This is the list view of the products. And this is the grid view of the products. If admin has selected scroll in the pagination type field, then the products will be automatically loaded when a user scrolls down on the product listing page. If admin has selected button in the pagination type field, then a button gets displayed on the product listing page by clicking on which more products gets loaded. If admin has selected both, then a user can scroll down for the number of pages specified by admin here, and then a view more button gets displayed on the product listing page by clicking on which more products get loaded. When all the products get loaded and there are no more products to show, then at the end of the product listing page, a message will be displayed as configured by admin from the backend. This is a scroll to top button by clicking on which a user reaches to the top of the listing page. Now let's discuss color adjustment. Under color adjustment, admin can customize view more button, know more products message and scroll to top button as per requirement. From here, admin can set the background color and title color of view more button. After setting the background color and title color, admin can preview view more button here. From here, admin can configure the text color of no more products message. From these fields, admin can set the background color and border color of no more products message box. After configuring these settings, admin can preview no more products message here. From here, admin can set the background color, icon color and border color of the scroll to top button. Now let's have a look at the front end. On the product listing page, the view more button, no more products message and scroll to top button will be displayed as configured by admin from the backend. Now let's have a look at the selector settings. If admin uses a theme other than the default PrestaShop theme and his theme uses different selectors, then he has to replace the selectors with the ones shown here so that his theme will be compatible with the infinite scroll module. After configuring the selector settings, let's discuss the advanced settings. From here, admin can enable the sandbox mode to use the infinite scroll module for testing. In this field, admin has to specify the IP address on which he wants to test the module. From here, admin can choose to add custom CSS and custom JS on the category page or all the pages. In these fields, admin needs to specify the custom CSS and custom JS for the web pages.